Your home's doors do more than just provide entry and exit. They play a key role in security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. In Mandeville, where weather conditions and everyday use can take a toll over time, recognizing when it's time to replace your doors can help you avoid bigger issues and improve your home's comfort and value. One of the most common signs it's time for door replacement is visible damage. Cracks, warping, dents, or rotting materials are clear indicators that your door is no longer performing as it should. In a climate like Mandeville's, where humidity can be high, moisture-related damage is especially common. A compromised door not only affects your home's appearance but can also weaken its structural integrity. Another major warning sign is difficulty opening or closing your door. If your door sticks, drags, or won't latch properly, it could be due to warping, shifting frames, or worn-out hinges. While minor adjustments can sometimes fix the issue, persistent problems often mean the door has reached the end of its lifespan. A properly functioning door should open and close smoothly without effort. Drafts and rising energy bills are also strong indicators that your door may need replacing. If you feel air coming in around the edges or notice temperature fluctuations near your entryways, your door seal may be failing. In Mandeville, where maintaining indoor comfort is important year-round, an inefficient door can put extra strain on your heating and cooling system, leading to higher energy costs. Water intrusion is another issue that shouldn't be ignored. If you notice moisture, water stains, or even mold around your door frame, it's a sign that your door is no longer sealing properly. Over time, this can lead to more serious damage to your home's interior, including flooring and walls. Replacing your door can help prevent further issues and protect your home from costly repairs. Outdated appearance is another reason many homeowners choose to upgrade their doors. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks worn, faded, or no longer matches your home's style, it can impact curb appeal. A new door can instantly refresh your home's exterior and create a more welcoming first impression. Security concerns are perhaps one of the most important factors to consider. Older doors or those with weakened frames and outdated locking systems may not provide the level of protection your home needs. If your door feels flimsy or you're concerned about its durability, upgrading to a newer, more secure option can give you greater peace of mind. Noise is another subtle but important sign. If you're noticing more outside noise entering your home than before, it could be due to gaps, worn materials, or poor insulation in your door. A replacement door with improved insulation can help create a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. In some cases, frequent repairs can be a sign that replacement is the better option. If you find yourself constantly fixing hinges, seals, or hardware, those costs can add up over time. Investing in a new door can be more cost-effective in the long run, eliminating the need for ongoing maintenance and repairs. Modern doors also come with added benefits that older models simply don't offer. Improved insulation, better materials, and enhanced design options allow you to upgrade both the performance and look of your home. Whether you're interested in better energy efficiency, increased security, or a more stylish appearance, a new door can deliver on all fronts. For homeowners in Mandeville, paying attention to these signs can help you make a smart and timely decision. Replacing your door isn't just about fixing a problem, it's an opportunity to improve your home's comfort, safety, and overall value. If you've noticed any of these issues, it may be time to consider a door replacement. With the right choice, you can enjoy a more secure, efficient, and attractive home for years to come.